Go.
Assalamualaikum. Good morning everyone. Welcome to today's safety forum titled Power in Your Hand, Essential PPE and Tools for Electrician. I'm Hairul, your moderator for this important and timely discussion. Electricians are the backbone of modern infrastructure, powering our home, building and industry. But with great power, literally comes great responsibility. That's why today we'll be focused on the critical equipment and protective gear that keep electricians safe and effective on the job. We have three outstanding speakers with us, each bringing valuable expertise. Muhammad Nur Fahmi, Muhammad Zari, Muhammad Nur. Let's begin with our first speaker. Mr. Fahmi, can you share what the most important PPE is for an electrician and why it is so critical in daily work, and share example for PPE that should be worn when doing electrician work?
Thank you for moderator. The most basic but very important PPE include insulate glove, electrical safety glove, helmet, and protective glass. This is because each of the piece of equipment is designed to prevent injury when working with electricity, whether it's electric shock, spark, or falling object. Importantly, PPE must not only be worn, but must also be ensured to be in good condition and test regularly. Here are the essential PPE item very electrician should have. One is insulate glove. You give your barrier against electrical shock. Outright clothes, especially for the working energized equipment. And third, safety goggle or face shield for eye protection or during cutting, drill or arc expose. And fourth, hard hats, previously non-conductive. These electrical boots, like safety boot, for extra insulate on wet or energized surface. Here, and second-last, hearing protection, especially during high noise tasks like drilling or working near generator. Always remember, the best PPE is the one currently constantly thanks. I can give you the model.
Excellent point. Trainer workers are more safety conscious, and this builds a safer industry overall. Mr. Zari, as someone who works in the field, what equipment or tools do you have to have every time you go to work?
Thank you. Among the tools that you must have a multimeter to test voltage and insulate, screwdriver, a test pen, cutting pliers, and a circuit detector. All of these seem basic, but if you miss them, the tools are broken. They can be disastrous. I always remind my trainers. Safe tools are not expensive, but once they are maintained and tested. Here's my essential toolkit for the field. First, a multimeter, 4 voltage current and continuity testing. Next, insulate screwdrivers and pliers, always rate for at least 1000 volts. Next, wire strippers and cutters for clean safe wiring jobs. Voltage tester, a quick tool to confirm the energized circuits. Tool bed or bed. Keep tools energized and within reach. Last, label maker. Crucial for clarity in panel and wire labeling. It's not about having the most tools. It's about having the right tools and knowing how to use them safely.
Thank you, Speaker 2. Now, let's proceed with Speaker 3, who will cover ensure that the workplace stay clean and safe.
Thank you, Moderator. In my role, I've seen how overlooking even copies of PPE or skipping a safety step can result in serious incidents. Here's what every electrician should know. First, OSHA and FPPA 70E set the standard, know them and follow them. Routine inspection of PPE and tools must be documented. Lockout and take-out procedures are optional, they are required. Grading and refresher should be done annually at minimum. Incident reporting must be transparent to foster a culture of safety. Safety is just personal, institutional and institutional. When everyone's accountable, everyone's protected. Next, we must talk about how do we create a safety culture among students and students studying the electrical field. In event we don't just teach theory or technical skills, safety is the first thing we instill. In our college, every student is required to wear full PPE during workshop session. Every session starts with a safety briefing. We conduct emergency simulation such as electrical fires, electric shock, and power outage. Safety scores are also given in their assessment rubric. Safety is not option; it's a responsibility. This culture must be built from the beginning because in the field there is no time learn from mistakes. Mistakes can cost life. In education, the challenge is to make a safety a habit, not just a passing grade. It requires collaboration between lecturers, students, and industry.
Thank you to our panel for their very meaningful and information sharing. This forum has opened our eyes to the fact that electrical power is not something to be taken lightly. Whether you are a student, a technician, or a manager, safety is a shared responsibility. In conclusion, always use the right PPE, check and maintain your tools. Instill a culture of safety wherever you are. That's all our forum today. Hopefully it is useful, and remember, power is your hand, so wisely. Thank you and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi. Any question?
Mr. Tarid, why that equipment should be used?
Thank you to those who asked. To ensure the wiring is in good and safe condition. Thank you.
Next.
Next.
Okay. Okay.
Why is OSHA included in the workplace? Thank you for the question. OSHA is safety on workplace because to ensure the safety, health, and welfare of employees in the workplace. Next.
Okay, I have a question for Mr. Hairul. Mr. Hairul, the question is 3 examples for PPE used by electrician.
example is safety shoes, helmet, and safety glove.
Exactly answer.
Thank you.
Thank you because
Next question.
Mr. Fahmi, why PPE is important in the workplace?
Thank you for the question. PPE is important in the workplace to protect work from injury, accident, or exposed to hazard such as problem like chemical, fire, electrical, short and sharp or heavy object like this. Then, okay. This.
Okay, that's all from my team. Thank you.
Okay, take group,